Let's discuss this question in front of us. What does the question say? Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x, and this has to be proved equal to sin 4x times sin 8x. Now what are we supposed to do in this question? Let's take a look at this. Cos square a minus cos square b. Now this is a special identity which is actually not given in the NCERT, and if you want to hear it out, let me elaborate the identity in front of you. Let me write the identity. What do we have over here is cos square a minus cos square b. This is the version that we have, right? Can you observe that this is similar to in the previous question, in the solution I have discussed sin square a minus sin square b, yes? And this is pretty much similar to that. This cos square a can be done as 1 minus sin square a, and this cos square b can be done as 1 minus, or minus will become sin square b. So this actually becomes sin square b minus sin square a. Okay. And this will be equal to what? This will be equal to sin of b plus a times sin of b minus a. Sin of b minus a. This is what it will be equal to. Okay. And the proof of this is something which I have discussed in the previous question. You can refer to that solution. But what about this question? Can we use this identity over here? Had we been allowed to use this identity, the result would have been pretty simple. You can observe cos square a minus cos square b. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x would be sin b plus a, which is 2x plus 6x is sin 8x. And sin 6x minus 2x. Sin 6x minus 2x, that will be equal to sin 4x, which is over here. The two products would have been obtained very easily. But then, if life would have been so simple, it would have been very easy. But this result is not known to us. So what is the result that we want to use over here? Let's see. In the LHS, what I observe is, what do the NCERT people want us to do, or what are we supposed to do for this question based on NCERT? Since this is NCERT series, let's talk about that. So cos square 2x minus cos square 6x, what will this look like? This can be written as, let's observe, this is a square minus b square. So we can write it as a, that is cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. Imagine this as a square minus b square. This can be written as a plus b times a minus b. This is cos 2x plus cos 6x times cos 2x minus cos 6x. I can write it as this, yes. What next? I'll require two important transformation formulae. Now what are those in transformation formulae that I would require over here? Is cos c plus cos d. That is something which I require over here. Cos c plus cos d is equal to what? This is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and that is something which is given in your textbook, right? So this is something which you may be aware of. Then cos c minus cos d is equal to what? This is equal to, please take a look at this carefully, minus 2 sin c plus d, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2. This is equal to this. Those are two important results, and those results can be used over here. Let's see. This will simplify to what? This will simplify to, this is cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2. This will convert to cos of c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d, that is 8x by 2. Cos of c minus d, 2x minus 6x, that will be minus 4x by 2. Okay, this is what I get. Is that okay? Yes, that's okay. What about the other one? This cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d is again, this is minus 2 times sin of c plus d by 2. Now what is sin of c plus d is 8x by 2. And what about the other one? Sin of c minus d. C minus d. 2x minus 6x would be minus 4x. So this is sin of minus 4x by 2. This is what you have. Sin of minus 4x by 2. Okay. What else? Let's write this again. This is cos of 4x. Okay. This is cos of minus 2x. Now cos of minus 2x is same as cos of 2x. Cos minus theta is same as cos theta. So this can be done as cos 2x. Right. Pretty simple. What next? This is minus 2. Let it be. This is sin 4x. So let's take a look at this sin 4x. What is this equal to? Sin of minus 2x. Now that minus can come out, right? We left that, right? We left one, we have one minus already in the outside, and we'll get one more minus from here. That will become a plus. So this is again 2 times sine 2x is what will remain over here. What else? We'll have to rearrange some things. What you observe is 4x, cos 4x and sine 4x are there. And we remember one more identity, 2 sine x cos x is actually equal to sine 2x. Right? 2 sine a cos a is sine 2a. Right. So I can write it as 2 sine 4x times cos 4x. What I have done is I have simply brought the sine 4x over here. What remains is 2 cos 2x sine 2x. 2 sine 2x times cos 2x. And yes, this will convert to sine twice 4x, which is sine 8x, times sine twice 2x, which is sine 4x. This is what I'll get. And please observe the RHS. Does it look similar? Yes. This is same as the RHS. Hence, proved. That's the complete result that we have. Is that all? Yes, that is all in this question over here.